Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super handy for your 2025 shopping adventures. How to use Afterpay in stores. If you're not familiar, Afterpay is a buy now pay later service that lets you split your purchases into 4 interest-free payments. It's perfect for when you spot that must-have item in a physical store and don't want to whip out your credit card. By 2025, Afterpay has rolled out even more features, like enhanced security and wider store acceptance, making it easier than ever. Let's break it down step by step so you can start using it right away. First things first, you need to set up your Afterpay account. Download the app from your phone's app store or sign up on their website. It's quick and free. Once you're in, verify your email and link a debit or credit card. Make sure your details are up to date because 2025 updates require stronger identity verification for added protection. Next, find stores that accept Afterpay. Many big names like Target, Walmart, and local boutiques have jumped on board. Check the Afterpay app for a list of participating retailers near you. Pro tip: look for the Afterpay logo at the checkout counter to confirm. Now, when you're ready to shop in store, pick out your items as usual. At the register, tell the cashier you'd like to pay with Afterpay. They'll scan your items, and you'll need to open the Afterpay app on your phone. Scan the QR code they provide or enter the payment details manually. Afterpay will then do a quick eligibility check based on your purchase history and available funds. Once approved, confirm the purchase in the app. You'll get a notification via SMS or email. That's it. Your first payment is usually due in 2 weeks, with the rest spread out evenly. Remember, staying on top of payments is key to avoiding fees, especially with the 2025 rules that emphasize timely repayments for better rewards. One more thing. Always keep an eye on your spending limits. Afterpay might cap your purchases if you're new, but as you build a good payment history, those limits go up. It's a great way to budget without overspending. If you run into any issues, the app's customer support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's chat about your Afterpay experiences. See you in the next video.